You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how you can earn daily income by following the simple tips I'll be sharing with you. So make sure you watch the video to the end because I'll also be giving some strategic ideas that you can follow to earn more at the end of this video. So what I want to talk about it's how you can earn daily money using some certain apps that pays people when they use the app. It is not new again that most platforms now pay new users for registering. So when you register on on these apps that I'll be mentioning after now, you and verify your account, you'll be paid instantly. And for also the old users, those who are already the registered users of these apps, you can share your affiliate link with your people and you will earn also daily. And at the end of this video, I will share with you simple ways in which you can get referrals. Now let's move. The first app I'll be sharing with you is called chippercash. Chippercash is an online financial platform built for cross-border payment in Africa. It means it was built to as a way of sending or used to send money from one country, African country, to another African country. Currently, chippercash pays new users 600 naira and old user who introduces other people to the platform 600 naira. So meaning that when you register as a new user on Shipper Cash, you'll be paid 600 naira after you've successfully verified your account. And after that, also you can also share your referral link with your friends and families, and you will still be paid extra 600 naira. Now, the first step you need to follow in order to participate in this is to just head to your Play Store and download Shipper Cash, then register using this referral link, this invite code. You can find the referral link on the description of this video as displayed. Note, it is very necessary for you to use my code so we could both get the first bonus. Also, only register with your phone number and not your email address. You can check the description of this video for the registration link. Step 2, verify your account using your BVN. Step 3, after your account has been successfully verified, just deposit 1,500 into the Shipper Cash account. You'll find your account on when you click on add money, you just see account. Generate your account. You can go to your bank account and send money there. So when you send money there, you can send the money out. Just send the money out to another Shipper Cash user. Just send your link to another Shipper Cash. Let them register. Then send the money to the Shipper Cash user. And if you don't have any Shipper Cash, if you don't have anyone who has a Shipper Cash, just contact me on WhatsApp or on Telegram by checking the description of this video. Contact me. We can we can do it. We can support you to do it. So you can follow this video. You can follow the video on the description for the steps. There is a video link on the description of this video that you can follow for the step-by-step. I've once done a video concerning how you can earn up to 5,000 naira daily using Shipper Cash. So every steps that I'm mentioning here I recorded it live, so you can follow the step and do the same. The last step is to just share your code, share your referral code to your friends and families, and let them do the same. The bonus was formerly 1,100, but it was later reduced to 600 naira. The second app I have here is called PalmPay. This app pays you 500 naira for registering and 500 naira for each person that you introduce and register through your link. This is one of the simplest of them all. It is one of the simplest of them all. It is very, very easy to earn on PalmPay. Just follow the procedure that you'll be seeing next. The first thing is to open the link on the description of this video. You see the link of the PalmPay on the description of this video. You need to check the description of this video to get a link. Don't type it out so that you will not make mistake. So once you open the link, just type in your phone number and click on OK. Then the next step is to download PalmPay on Play Store and sign up. Make sure you use your real name because you'll be doing verification. When you are verifying your account and the name you used is different from your real name, that means you won't be getting any bonus. And it's like you going to bank to open an account and you are using a fake name to open an account. So that's fraud. Number three is click on the menu icon and click on authentication to verify your name using either your bank account details or BVN. You can watch the video also. There is a video in the description of this video on how you can earn daily money using PalmPay. When you check the video, you see the steps, the life steps that I did. So you can follow the step and do the same thing. The next thing is that you verify your account, you'll be given money, free money, and you can just load 15 naira airtime from it. Make sure you load 15 naira, just 15 naira airtime from the money given to you. Then the next thing is to go back to your dashboard and click on refer and earn. Then copy your referral link, then start sending it to your friends and families. You can check the description as I've said on how to on the live tutorial of PalmPay. So the next app is Kuda. Kuda is now very popular. Kuda is an online banking system that allows you to pay less when transacting. When you want to send money to Kuda to Kuda is free, but you want to send money, in fact, at the beginning of the month, when you are sending money to an external bank, a third party bank, the first 25 transfer will be for free. Then the next one, after that, Kuda will just be charging just 10 naira, unlike our normal bank that charges 25 and so on and so forth. Currently, you can earn 1,000 naira on registering and 1,000 naira when anyone joins through your link. Kuda is very legit. Make sure you do your own research because all these apps that I'm sharing with you, they are very legit. So how to participate, register using the link on the description of this video. Just check the description, you'll find the link, register. Then the next thing is to verify your account using your BVN or NIN. The third thing is to deposit 500 naira on your Kuda account, then instantly use it to load airtime. Just transfer money from your other account, transfer 500 naira. Then the name of the bank is Kuda MFB, Microfinance Bank, Kuda MFB. So you'll be giving free 1,000 naira. Immediately you are giving that free 1,000 naira. So the 500 naira time you can just deduct from there, and the remaining 500 naira is yours. Then the next thing is to share your link with your friends and let them do the same thing. You'll be giving 1,000 naira on each referral that uses your link to register. So anyone that uses your link to register, you'll be giving and verify. You'll be giving 1,000 naira. Make sure they verify their account because verification matters. Verification matters. You can check the description of this video for the link to use, and my referral invite code is R6CH9EQM. Capture letter and small letter, notice them before you type them when you download the app. So the next app is called Referral. This app allows you to send, receive, and save money. And also you earn 500 naira for each person that you refer, through your link. So how do you participate in this? Register using the link on the description of this video. Then just go check the video and click on the description. There will be a long drop down for all these links I've been mentioning. You can click on them and register from there. Then the next thing is to verify your account using your BVN on NIN. Then start sharing your link also. The next app is called Truewealth. Truewealth is a stock investment platform and it's an international one. You can invest US stock and also Nigeria stock on the same app, and that is a very big thing now. They pay new users $1, which is equivalent to 525 naira stock after the KYC is completed. The $1 will reflect on your portfolio after 24 hours after your KYC has been completed and verified. So how to participate is sign up for Truewealth and earn free $1. Click on the link on this video description as you can see here so that you can register. Then after registering on the browser, Make sure you sign up on the website. Then after signing up on the website, now go to Play Store and download True Finance. True Finance. TROVA, True Finance. Then log in. After you log in, make sure you complete your registration. Go to the menu and complete your registration. Go to menu and at the downside of the menu, you find settings. So just go to settings and do your KYC verification, fill in your details, your bank account for withdrawal, because you can withdraw directly to your bank account from here. Then you'll be needing NEPA bill for this. Make sure the NEPA bill you used has the same address. It has the same address that you filled in on your personal details. Make sure you use NIN. You can use NIN for the KYC, and you can also send their support a message to hasten the verification. So immediately after this, you get your $1 after the KYC is completed and verified, and which will reflect on your account after 24 hours. Withdraw the money straight to your bank app. Then you can refer your friends and families again to get more of this, more dollars of this. So make sure your referral also complete the KYC and follow the step. You can copy this video and send it to them, and then send them the link so that they can follow everything and you keep earning. The next, okay, there are many more apps that pay you when you register on their platform, which I will be uploading constantly. So you should consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon. Now, the big question is that I am not interested in referral stuff. How can I get people to? I don't know people. I don't know how to talk to people. How can I get referral? How can I get referral daily and make thousands? Okay, one, I just have some ways here. Number one is to send the link to your friends and families through your social media, educating them about the opportunity and giving them your link. There is nobody on this earth that doesn't want free money. Free money, just register and verify your account, then you get your money. So you are helping them as you are helping yourself. In life, you help people. When you help people, you help yourself, and that's what business is about. You bought something at the market and you brought it to your to your environment. Then people come to you, to your shop, to pay you. When they pay you, they collect the product from you. So you helped them, and as a result, you have helped yourself. So you can also create a group for this so that any subsequent affiliate program where they can benefit from, you can share it with them and they will be happy for that. The second way is to post to your public profile on your social media accounts like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and so just make sure you hashtag, just give it an hashtag and free money, things related to that. The third way is to go to schools and do presentation about the opportunity to them generally. Just go to schools and just do the presentation to them, not necessarily these certain apps, but more other apps that is related to this. You can go to school and do the presentation. The fourth way is to refer people at their place of business. For example, shop owners. If you remember, if you are used to OP, there was a time that OP did something like this, and they employed merchants and going from one shop to another, installing apps on people's phone, and each person you install app on their phone, you'll be earning. So also you can also use this without they telling you to do it. You are helping them and you're also helping yourself. So only do it for people you can trust, and make sure you open up to them when you go to them. So just go and share the opportunity with them if they are interested. If they are not interested, don't force them. And the last way here I have is join different group and post daily with your attractive banner. So join different WhatsApp group, different Facebook group. Then you can also go to Canva, download Canva on Play Store, register and open an account, register and log in your account. So after you log in, then you can start creating attractive banners using the template there. If you want me to do a video on how you can create flyers for your own self and which would also be useful for your business, within less than 5 minutes you can complete the banner of the flyer, the flyer. Just comment on the section here. Just comment, I'm interested in the Canva video, then I will be doing it. So if I can get up to five to 10 comments on that, I'll be doing that right away on how you can use Canva to create attractive banners for free. And also make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'll be posting content that are related to how you can create wealth, various ways on how you can make money, not just online, but offline. Because I believe that wealth is not just making money is not just something that is limited to online. The online space just gave us opportunities in this 21st century to speed in the ways in which we can achieve things. The internet age shrinks our world, so it makes the world closer. That's one of the opportunities the internet brought to us. So it's an opportunity, but we are not limited to the online. I'll be sharing different things, how you can doing a lot of investment, both the one that is physical and the one that is virtual. So subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon. Make sure to also join our Telegram channel and also our WhatsApp group for more updates and for interactions. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.